Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photo, videos, and chat on Snapchat. The first option is download data to recover deleted photos. Like most platforms, Snapchat also stores data related to your account. This can include your name, phone number, email address, and sometimes recently deleted snaps. You can use this method for Android and even Snapchat Web. However, this method cannot fully recover all those deleted Snapchat snaps. However, you can still try this option. Step 1. Open Snapchat and tap your avatar at the top left corner. Step 2. Tap the settings gear at the top right corner. Scroll down to account actions and tap My Data. Here, enter your username and tap Next. Toggle on Include Your Memories and Other Saved Media. Enable all other options on the same page and tap Next. Choose the date range and then tap Submit. You can also toggle off Filter your export by data range. This will download all the data associated with the account. Wait until the export is completed. This might take hours or even days, and once the data is exported, you will get a mail on the associated email. Open the email and tap Click here inside it. This will launch Snapchat on the web. Then enter your credentials. Download the data and open the zip file with any zip opener or file manager. Then open the folder and find the chat, media, or memories folders once extracted. From here, you can recover deleted Snapchat photos. Just move it to the location you want to. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.